April from Sharper Uniforms. Today we are going to review our Sneeze Guard partition panel dividers. The panel we are showing in this video is not actual size for demonstration purposes. We have hung a face mask behind the divider so you can see how clear and see-through the divider is with PVC film as the protective barrier. These dividers come in full or half coverage panels. They are a very cost-effective solution where states mandate inside protection for businesses of all types such as restaurants, hotels, medical offices, casinos, country clubs, and many others. We offer 3 full and half-size models that are 6 foot high and come in 4, 5, and 6 foot widths. Dividers are made in the USA. They are lightweight and easily reconfigurable to meet your changing seating plan. No installation is required. These dividers are much less expensive than plexiglass dividers. Unlike plexiglass, they can be cleaned with ammonia-based products such as Windex. The dividers provide a crystal clear, glass-like appearance. The frame of the panels are made from sturdy, square aluminum tubing. The clear protector is made from PVC film. These panels are an economical, easy way to provide social distancing for your employees and customers. The panels are shipped by private trucker, courier, right from the factory to your front door. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on the web. Stay safe.